Ma?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where you going again? I see you got your pocketbook here.
I'm going to church.
You going to church?
Yeah.
Ain't you mean 9
9
o'clock?
o'clock. Yeah.
No, it's not 9 o'clock yet.
Yeah. But I gotta get ready soon. You know that when Pastor come, they started to the door. I'm running up and down. I don't even know where to put things. I get just little things scattered here. I started running outside. So I'm trying to get to
You're set
take
together?
under control now.
Where you going? What happening
Right
there?
here.
I know.
Raja prayer.
Oh,
9 o'clock prayer.
my 9 o'clock prayer? Any special prayer? For who?
For the whole community. For everybody.
For the whole world?
The whole world people.
Okay.
Because people are struggling, people are in, you can't even
Destitute, peeing. Yeah.
all the old people, I guess the old people where I live and say, are standing in my hand,
Your hand hurting?
yeah,
So when they say people are getting old, I real problem, because every morning you get up at something.
yeah.
Every day there's something.
Yeah.
Today, I woke up that my knee, that my knee hurting for no reason. I was sleeping, everything was alright. I wake up that morning,
You see
that the knee
you see the
hurting.
bubble I take it alcohol to put it in my teeth, the hole.
Hey, Jesus. For what?
To keep it down.
For keep what down, you get pain there?
Yeah, it hurting.
But you go to dentist every month. You go see
Where?
the dentist every month. You see the doctor. Okay.
I told the doctor yesterday, I said, look, let me tell you something.
Don't be telling the people, look, let me tell you something. I know you say it like that. You say it like that, right?
I said, look, doctor, I'm telling you, my teeth, when it rise up, before I eat something, it go down my gum, blood can come from there. And this side will open, blood can come from there.
Hey, oh my.
No, you said, woman, put it on it. So I said, so he said, oh, I will send you back to the doctor again.
The dentist.
I will send you to the dentist again. I said, do that, doctor, because, but every time I go, they look at it, they will give me something, temporary teeth.
Oma, let me tell you something. You are blessed. You go to dentist every month, every time. You see the doctor, the place you can go, huh? The doctor office is right next door. You just walk in, you see them. I don't know what you want. You talking about your toothache? Yeah. That brownies, cookies. You said now the soon morning you eating cookies.
Yeah, but I tell the medicine I need something to eat. I'm from that thing. No, when they rest, I go rest last night.
You go right last night.
And I tell the store, oh good, I left it like that way.
Yeah, banana over there. You see banana to eat.
Today,
You get... Oma?
I ate banana.
Okay, already.
Yeah, I took one banana before I take my medicine.
Okay.
Well, I just
How about
need-
the eggs? You
What?
even boil egg?
No. I'm bored.
Okay. Eat the cookies. The soon morning, yeah. All right, well, we'll be here. My knee, man. Anyway.
I got my key. Oh,
Okay,
thank you, sir, Mama.
make sure you take your key when you're going, and everything will be alright. Just in case, if you come home, me and the lady are not here, so you can be able to come in. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will do that.
Okay. Enjoy your Saturday now.
Anyway, yeah, I'll enjoy myself in the Lord.
Amen.
No eating baby.
Amen. Amen.
We just going to have
Amen.
to pray that.
We say amen again.
Yeah.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen.